Hello guys, and welcome back again to another USO tutorial. In this video I will show you how to download Beatmaps. Of course you always have to download new Beatmaps to your USO games because playing the same map is kind of boring. Like playing it over and over and over again will be kind of boring for you. So what USO does automatically, it updates your Beatmaps in time to time. They change the Beatmaps like every update, but you can't really wait until the updates and then change the Beatmaps and then start to play in the same Beatmaps that also has given you. But you can now download your own Beatmaps and play your own songs that you like and enjoy the game even more. And so now let's see how can you do it. First of all, please open any browser that you are using in your computer, for example Google Chrome, Opera or Mozilla, or even Internet Explorer. For me, I'm using Google Chrome, as you can see. And then let's click on here and type USO. Just to show you guys, let's just type it like that and search it in Google. Please make sure to choose this first website, which is uso.ppy.sh. Now let's click on it, and then please make sure that you are connected to this to your account. If not, for example, let's go to Beatmaps. As you can see, now I can write whatever I want and find the game, but the map. But if I sign out and click on OK, I will not be able to search for the song or whatever I want. You can only click on these from here, and even to download the song itself, you will be not able to do so. So to be safe, let's click on here and then connect your account like so, and here you go, we are ready to go. Now for example, you can search for any music you want. If you find it in here, you can just type whatever and find it. For example, let's see if there is this one. You can search for it. Yep, it doesn't exist. I think the song that I'm willing to download, for example, let's just choose this one, for example. Now as you can see, you have two options or three. This one is to add it to your favorites. This one is to download it on your PC and then dragging it into your game, and this one is to directly download it into the game. So for this tutorial I will show you how to download it into your PC and then drag it into the game. So by clicking on it, you will wait a couple seconds. It will not take even 5 seconds, and then just drag it, put it into your game, drag it in it, wait a couple seconds, like 2 seconds, and voila, you can here choose whatever map you want to play. And as you can see, you will be able to play the song that you downloaded. And yeah, I hope you have fun playing it. And yeah, I'm so bad at this game. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.